So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the AutoFS. And in today's video, we are still on introduction, and this will be our last phase of the introduction chapter to Fxdreema. So on my previous video, if you're just joining in, please, or if you're new to my channel, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification button so that you always stay up to date with my new contents and my new videos. So right now I'll be talking about these blogs info, and I'll try to make it as quick and more understanding as I can. So here you can see conditions for indicator, and remember guys, you can actually get to know more about this blog if you simply double click on it, and you can read through the manual for each block. Okay, so in this column of blocks you can find this is conditions for indicator. And what does it mean? In here you can find all your conditions you need for what an indicator, okay, to convert indicators to EA. So here you can see what time filters, and this is all about time, weekdays, minutes. So everything you need to set your robot concerning time. You want your robot to trade once per day, once per block, once per tick, everything, depends on how your strategy is. You can find that here. Okay, so all of your time blocks, you can find it here. So here is check trace and order counts. So in here you can find check trace count, check pendant. So this is all about making sure your trade is going accordingly, and maybe if your robot is not over picking positions or opening more position than you anticipated it to do or you programmed it to do. Okay, so this is the block for that. All right, so here is check trading conditions. Okay, so here you can see the name on the column already. That tells you what this place is all about. So this is all about the conditions of the open trades, the profit ratio, pips, last close, history, distance of the positions, ERC. So this is all where you can get that. Okay, so here is your buy and sell. So everything that concerns opening a position, pending order, buy, stop, buy, order, market, everything. Okay, so on the left right side is your sell what block. Okay, so this is your sell block. All right, so here is your buckets of trades. So this has to do opening multiple trades. Well, all this side is for maybe complex robots. Okay, but I'm just doing this as promised. All right, so for martingale users, here is where you can find your martingales, all right, combined with the variables, so you can be able to build a very good martingale. So this is all about looping, and we know that martingale is all about looping your trades, opening trades as the market goes against you. So that's, you're looping your position without closing them. Okay, so even if you want to build grid also, you can still pick some good blocks around here to build your strategy. So this is trail stop, break even, trail, group of trades, money loss, group of trade, etc. So everything that concerns trail and stop, breaking even for your trades, this is where you find it. So in this column, this is where you come and you pick the preferred block that suits your project. Okay, and this is trading action. Okay, so here you can see modify stop of trades, close trades, etc. And don't forget guys, I actually told you you can double click on each of these blocks to get an insight or overview of what that block does. Okay, it's always helpful. So here is where you can find the things: close your trade, close, lose, able to, so the actions to carry out on your opened position. Okay, so this is the column where you can find the right block to use for your what strategy. So, and this is chart and object. So for our support and resistance brothers and sisters, so you can apply your charts, your GAN, your Fibonacci, everything. So you can actually come here and pick what the block that suits your trading strategy. Okay, and this is look for chart objects. So if in case you want your objects to recreate themselves, all right, because you know that objects are not indicators, so they are like constant, they are not variable. Indicators are variable, objects are what constant. So they don't move with the market, they only stay where you drop them. So but in this column, this is where you can be able to recreate your objects, all right, modify their properties, and be able to instruct your robot to recreate them with the market as the market progress. And this is where you bring or you get your output and communications. So in this column, you get your alert messages, blink the chart, everything, just like those that want their robot to notify them when their robot picks trade. So this way you can actually come and get that block to add to your project so that whenever your EA or robot picks a trade, MetaTrader 4 will notify you that okay, there's an action going on in your account. So this is various signals. So in here you can find various types of signal: bull candle, bear candle, ETC, impulse up, bottom in trend, round numbers, and single candle templates, etc. So this is more advanced, but here you can find various signals, all right, in one block. Okay, and this is your controlling blocks. All right, so this is your controlling blocks, and here you can find some addendum to add up to your commands. All right, that's your condition blocks. Okay, so mostly these guys goes with that guys. All right, so this is your run block, turn on block, turn off block. So maybe you create a condition or a strategy that okay, once this is met, turn off the block, or maybe turn off buy, or if sell opens, turn off what, or buy blocks, or if buy block this position, turn off the sell block. So these commands are useful. Okay, they are pretty well useful. So this is your flags, set flag as textual check. So this comes with kind of template orders. Okay, and this is your counter, pass once, pass number of times, count number, then pass, etc. So these are your counters, and here you can find more strategies: pass, random outputs, delay, terminate, if contest. So this is where you can actually pick your distance. If maybe you've worked your robot, and here is where you can actually do some more advanced uh licensing, etc, and like terminate account if the number of the login is different from if you know how to license account. So this is where you can actually come to pick them up. All right, okay, so that will be all for the introduction to Fxdreema. I would like to see you guys out. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. uh, we will meet again. Stay tuned.